This tutorial is to show how to add screener names and assign to a screening test within the easyTone app. A screener list can be created by selecting the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Select Settings and then Screeners. Add a screener name by selecting the plus at the bottom right corner. This opens up a box to enter the screener's name, as it should be displayed on all reporting documents. Continue to add additional screeners by selecting the plus button. To edit or delete entered names, select the ellipse next to the screener's name. Select the back arrow to return to the start screen. When multiple screeners are entered, tap the screener icon in the top right corner to select or confirm the screener. Once a screener is selected, it will be associated with each hearing screening result. This will be printed on all reports. A screener name remains selected even when closing the easyTone app. When starting the easyTone app, a toast message welcomes the screener last selected. This completes the tutorial on how to add a screener to the easyTone app. Please continue through the tutorial series for additional easyTone instruction.